नहीं हो रहा है,
लोगों पे आ ही नहीं रही है।
अच्छा नहीं आ रहा था स्क्रीन, मैंने शेयर ही नहीं किया, कोई बोले ही नहीं, यूट्यूब आ रहा है।
उस पर चल रहा है। अब कंटिन्यू करो, तभी तो कहूँ यहाँ पे चला के रखा करो, यहाँ पे चला के रखा करो।
ये हो जाता है ना,
हम मिनिमाइज करें।
okay. Now I think all of you can see my screen. देखो all of you can see my, okay okay okay, what I have done, I have created the animation using the keyframes, and this is the animation name, and what I want from 0% how the animation will get start, the same effect I need when it reaches the 100%. That's why from 0% until 100% I have given the same border radius. The first 4 will apply when it move clockwise, and this next 4 will apply when it move anti-clockwise, and this first 4 is what, top, bottom, left, right, then this one again top, bottom, left, right. Then from 0% till 13% this one will work. When it becomes 14% the border radius will get changed. Like that, when it reaches 28% the border radius get changed, and when it reaches 42% the border radius will get changed. When it reaches 56%, here I am changing the value, 61%, 39%, 67%, 33%, and then 70%, 50%, 50%, 30%. Okay, then again till 70% it will maintain the same border radius, and when it is 70% my border radius get changed to 50%, 50%, 34%, 66%, then 56%, 68%, 32%, then 44%, and end till 84% it will maintain the same, and in 84% I want to change the border radius. This is the last one, like 46%, 54%, 50%, 50%. 50% is actually the round circle. Okay, then 35%. आवाज नहीं आ
कुछ से आवाज आ रही है, मुझे तो नहीं आ रही है।
Can you hear me? Guys, can you hear me? Hello? Hello? हाँ, ओके ओके
पर मुझे नहीं आ रही है।
ओके Then the last one 35%, 61%, 39%, then 65%. This animation rule I have defined. Okay. Now this rule I am going to apply on that image. I am going to apply that animation on this image. Okay. You can see that this image is not rounded circle, but you can see here this image is in rounded circle. For this rounded circle, we have used this border radius. Now I am going to apply this one on this image. My image class name is dot image about, and here to apply the animation I have to write animation border transform, because this is my animation name. Okay, this name and this name must be same because I am applying this animation on this image. Then for how much second I am to apply, I wish to apply for 10 seconds. Then linear, then infinite, then alternate, and it starts from forwards, means clockwise. Okay, and I want to give a background color. Background color has B7 A7ED. Okay, let's check. Okay, you can see that we got that animation. Okay, it is in rounded circle now and it float. This floating behavior comes from this values. If you change this values, then this floating behavior also gets changed according to that value. Okay, all of you got it? There is a problem with the sound. What problem? क्या? तो क्या करूं? Now am I audible?
No. Just निकाल के दोबारा मैं पीछे लगा के देखता हूँ.
पीछे नहीं है ना, इसका जाके कुछ
ये तो काफी नीचे लगा.
हेलो,
तो ये गाना चला के देख, तेरे को मजा आएगी. इसको अपना भी करेगा. स्टॉप शेयरिंग कर लिया.
Your business idea needs a website. So
The sound is good on YouTube. Okay.
Okay. Hello. Hello. Now sound is okay.
एक ही बंदा है आज. हाँ एक्चुअली यूट्यूब पे बहुत अच्छी साउंड आ रही है तो कंटिन्यू ओके
तो कंटिन्यू करो।
यूट्यूब को लाइव कर दे। यूट्यूब से चल हाँ चल चालू कर दे।
Okay, that we have done this part. We have created the apply the animation and text and paragraph, and we have done the text justifier, and we have included the video. Okay, this text, if you want to make it light, then you can apply the styles for that. Like here, this is a little bit dark. You can also change this to light. Okay. Okay, then we will go to the next section. This is this section. Okay, we will see how to design this section. This section also we have used a container. Okay, and here I will show you another one thing, that we have used container, that's why it look like this. If I use container fluid instead of container, here I use container fluid, then container fluid it will take the
chat में लिख देगी if sound is not coming, so you can watch through YouTube live.
okay
Click होगा इसमें वाली कोड नहीं चेक करना।
Okay, container fluid is what? See, once you use container fluid, it will take the complete space of the screen. Okay, whatever screen you open the website, in whatever screen, it will take the complete space. But when you use the container, then it will give the some space from the left side and from the right side. Okay, that's why instead of container fluid, we can use container. Okay, and here I can write text center. Okay, now you can see that it takes the space between from two sides. Okay, this is the difference between container and container fluid. Now our about us section is completed. I just minimize it. Then we will see this section. Okay. In this section, we have used the card component of Bootstrap. What is the card component? Let's first see that. Bootstrap cards. See. Bootstrap card is what? Is a border box with some padding around its content. It includes options for header, footer, content, color. This is a border box. It's simply a box, simply one card, in which you can have header, footer, content and color. You can also include the image. Okay. I have used this card to design this part. Let us design that. Here, this is my courses. Then here, section ID, courses, then here div class container. Okay, because I need again the space from the both the sides, and y container to make it responsive. Okay, and the first one I have a heading, that's why I am using heading. In heading, what I have used, what I am going to write is copy from here, copy, paste it. Okay, and then I am going to use the card. Okay, first we will see that this one is coming or not. See, I am getting on heading, but it is coming like left side. I want in the center. Then what I have to do here? H2 class text center. Okay, it is in text center. Now we will design more in CSS. Okay, now under this I need the card. Okay, then we will see that div class row. Okay, then div class call large screen 4, means in large screen at a time it will show 3 columns, but in small screen I want at a time to see only 1 column. Okay, and in extra small screen also at a time I want to see only 1 column. Okay, then I am going to add the card, div class card shadow. These all are predefined class. Then div, first I want one image. You can see that in this card the first one is image, then I have the heading, then I have some paragraph, then I have one button. Okay, that's the first one is image. I am using image source images proc dot jpg, then class card image top. Card image top is a predefined bootstrap class. What it will make? It means that your image will be on top. Okay, or alternate what you want to write the text. Okay, this is the image we have included. Then close this div. Then what I want? We want card body. This image part is over, then this card body. Then again div class card body. Okay, in card body what are the things I have? One heading, one paragraph and one bottom. Then first heading. In heading we have this, and this is the class card title. Okay, then I have paragraph, this paragraph, this is card text. Okay, and then I have button, reference, nothing, class button, then button success. This is the color of the button. Okay, and here what will be the button name? Learn more. will see that. See, we created one card, like this is the image, this is the card heading, this is the card text. Card heading also you can tell that card title, this is the card text, and this is the button. This color, green color, automatically comes if you are writing button success. If you want any other color, then you can use that class. Suppose button danger, then the color will get changed to red. Okay, I want green color, that's why I just gave this one. Now what I want, first I want all the content should be in center. That's why in row here I can use justify content center. Okay, then this H5 and P, I want this should be in text center. That's why here card body text center. Okay, now we will see that changes. See, justify content center means your you have till now only one card and it comes to center. Previously it is on the left. Okay, and text center means this all text becomes center. Now I will add another 2 card. Then what I have to do? Simply now I need to copy. From where I will copy? From here, from this div. Okay, just copy it, copy, paste, paste, and here just change the title. The last one is web development, and this one data science using Python. Save it and see, you get 3 cards. Okay, in large screen the 3 cards, in small screen it will come one above the other card, and in extra small screen also it will come one above the other card. Like go to the inspect, see, it's coming one above the other like this. See, in Pixel device it will come like this. Then in iPad Pro it comes in one row. Okay, and iPhone 6 like one above other. This is the meaning of call SM12, call XS12 and call LG4. When you open in the large screen it will come in one row, but when you open in small screen or some mobile device then it will look like this. Okay, then we will do style to this. This basic part is over. We have included 3 cards. Now we will do the style. Okay, then go to style. This is over. Here we will start courses. Okay, the first thing we need the margin and padding courses. The padding top, again I am using 2 rem, it is equal to 32 pixel, and padding bottom equal to 2 rem. Now you can see that. Okay, it gets 2 rem padding from top and 2 rem padding from bottom. Okay, Now I want to first use the image, style the image. The inner is the class given to the image, overflow hidden. I will tell what's the use of overflow hidden. I will explain it. Okay, and you can see here I have apply some